forward it. I'll put it up on YouTube. Okay. So coming back in. So what I did was Johnny the Butcher. I'm just going to retrace my steps a bit. So Musgrave Marketplace, the name of them. Okay. So we can't see the total there, but if you go down to suppliers, I'll just filter by name. MAR Market. See if I find it. Musgrave Marketplace. So there's 5 of them in inbox. Okay. 1 previously archived. So we'll just see what we did to the one previously. Didn't go into any category, strangely enough. That's very odd. And it's definitely cost of goods sold, but that's why that was in no category back then. I'm astonished. So look at supplier rules. I'm just going to program the supplier. Cost of sales. Publish it to bill. Just even that much. So with what you had there, I suppose the hint is if it's 0, you're probably safe enough putting it into cost of sales,
okay.
you know? Yeah.
Okay.
Because there wouldn't be much else at 0 every point.
Good.
How far did you get in those?
I got the first 20, but I just need to change the diesel ones again.
Okay, I'm going to just check on the integration after you guys finish now.
Okay.
Because here it should kind of lead me into QuickBooks.
Yeah.
But this answer from the technical guy saying there's something wrong with the VAT code in QuickBooks, that's why that's not linking, but that doesn't sound right to me at all. So but I'll test out what he's saying and come back to him. But
okay.
Here, done now. How would you get on, Joe? I put Joe kind of onto the end of yours there, Sinead, right? He went on to the end of Musgraves because he was free.
Yeah, I did a few of them just at the end.
Anything jump out, yeah?
What is it like? Is it a butcher?
Yeah.
Is that his business? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I might have briefed in that much unless you heard me talking to Sinead. He sells at 0%. But he can, a 0% business doesn't charge VAT on his sales, but it can receive back the VAT on his purchases.
Okay.
So we claim all the VAT. And so remember when I said to the girls last week, most VAT you'll ever pay is what you collect from your sales. So if he collected 0, well then he shouldn't be paying anything. So they give him back the VAT he did pay.
Okay. Yeah.
That's how that works. Whereas a bank doesn't charge VAT, but it's a different type of service. It's called exempt. It's not allowed to charge VAT, but it's not allowed to reclaim VAT either.
Okay.
Same for an insurance company as well. And those 2 will be the main 2. And taxi business, yeah, transportation. There are 2 other ones. I know it's head wrecking, but you kind of get used to it, and it's the law. It's not us being funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Emma came across a couple of small things on our scan-ins. So what are the things, the stuff I've kind of know and forgotten, but when there's someone new doing it, they come across them again. So just to mention it.
Yeah, the first thing that came up was the handwriting. A lot of the invoices, they themselves are writing pretty much all over them. And I wasn't sure if that would affect, when you're taking the pictures, but it doesn't. And you also have an option after you capture photo to write in a description, and you're basically writing in what they have already put on the receipt. So a lot of Finities, they're farmers. There was a lot of tractor written across, or worming dogs. So you can put that into the description. And then medical expenses, I was just wondering if that's all part of business expense. And these were medical expenses for a couple of people in the family, but they can all be claimed. Some returns, credit returns came up linked to invoices. They all go in as normal. You take pictures of them, scan them in. Yeah, that's everything. That's everything that came up.
Yeah, there's small little quirks that'll come up, but as you're in the job now, like we try and mix a small bit of training with a small bit of work each time, and you'll, eventually we'll be. I'm not saying letting you off, but I'll let the girls check in with you the odd day if I'm not here and stuff like that. And you're fine. You're getting on great. So, okay, well it's almost 4 now, so I'll let you off, and I'll see you tomorrow at 1, and. I won't forget to get those contracts over to you. I just didn't get a chance to put your names on them, let them off. So you'll have
Yeah, no worries.
that'll all happen this week. Don't worry about it. Whenever it happens, it happens. Yeah.
Perfect.
All right. Thanks, and
Thank you.
see you tomorrow.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye for now.